I am CA Vijay Rawal, and currently I am working as a freelance business management advisor. In the year 2016 and 2017, when I was working with Lemken India as director and CFO, and company was struggling for sales volume, we got associated with a strategic concept. Lemken India is a subsidiary of German company and engaged in manufacturing of agricultural implements in India. Sanjay Singh and team strategy concept organized training sessions for our sales and marketing team. But when they realized that our team is not much convinced with the ideas shared in training, then Sanjay Singh accepted a challenge to implement the ideas on ground and choose one region to develop market for Lemken India. During this assignment, they visited farmers and local dealers, find out influencers in village, and organize demo activities. This really gave direction to Lemken India sales team to understand the sales pitch for Lemken products, which are really costly as compared to the local products, and then also regular marketing activities to be carried out on the ground. It was a successful assignment and helped Lemken India to achieve profitability in coming years. Working with Sanjay ji was a very good learning experience for all of us, and this learning continues to help all of us in company and also at individual level. I wish all the best for Sanjay Singh ji and strategy concept.